Welcome back, students. Let's continue with one more question from the chapter Birth by A.J. Crony. Here in front of you that I wrote a question. The question is, it's a value-based question that for doctors, the duty towards the patients is foremost. It means it is given the topmost priority to save the life of a patient or a doctor, irrespective of their own personal affairs, their own personal problems that they should deal with their duty, especially they should do their duty with utmost care. So now here discuss this statement with the reference to this and this chapter Birth. This is our question. Now see children, the answer comes here in this way. It's a value based question. So your understanding that also matters here. What do you think here as a human being? Clear? See now here there is a we could say that there is a saying is that up to God. What kind of the saying is there? Up to God, it is a doctor. It means it comes here only the doctor up to God who can save life of a patient. Up to God only there is a place of a doctor who can save the life of a patient. Clear? And a patient comes to a doctor with a hope. What kind of a hope? That this man or a doctor that he would cure his illness. That hope that he comes, just like we pray to God, we go to the temple or different places for what? That there is a hope that God would help me. So in the same way, up to God, the writer here we could say that who comes a doctor, there is a place. But we should not forget one fact. Which fact we should not forget? That a doctor, he is also a human being. Clear? Just like us, we are, a doctor is also a human being. Troubles and miseries are part of his life. Just like we have some troubles, we feel that I have this much troubles and the miseries in my life. So in the same way, this man is also having troubles and the miseries in his life there. So he also feels sometimes as a human being. It is possible as usual that he also feels sometimes distressed and depressed. It is a common thing, the way we feel. So now, but in spite of all these things or all these problems, that he has to do his duty. That he used to treat the patient, that he used to cure the illness of a patient in spite of all his personal problems or the personal affairs here. Now coming to the chapter here. This is what general things that we wrote. Now coming to the chapter. In this story, the birth, we have seen the condition of Andrew's mind before treating the patient. Because we know, and here also, the way he dealt the case, the way he treated the patient, and he made frantic efforts to save the life of mother and the child. Mother and child. He made frantic efforts. And he used, Andrew? Used intuition and medical knowledge. For what? When there was no hope at all. It means the future was almost blank. Nothing was there. Bleak future was there. Almost the future was in dark there. But still, that he decided to do. Decided to operate the patient. Actually, that was the beginning of his career. And if, for example, unfortunately, if he would have not got the success, unfortunately, in this treatment, in the first case, so definitely it would have affected his whole life there. If he had been failed in his attempt, definitely it would have affected his whole life there, his career as a doctor, clear. So, but still that he, when there was no hope at all, that he did it, that he proved, that he done something real at last. Actually, we know that he was really upset. It means before going to Joe Morgan's home or his house, we know the mental condition, that he was mentally tired, physically exhausted here, this man. Who? Dr. Andrew Manson, because he had a disappointing evening with Christine, his girlfriend. That was his personal matter. Where comes here? Personal affairs. That was his personal life, personal matter. But what he did there, when he found the case or the patient that they were in a critical condition, right? When he found that time he did not leave the case, that he stayed there in spite of his personal matter, his personal problem, a disappointing evening, that he decided to stay there. And he understood that this case demanded his full attention, complete attention here, all his attention that he demanded. He understood, so that's why that he stayed there. And now he could barely see his own future. In fact, that there was no future at all. Maximum chance to get failure. But still that he decided to operate, and as a result of that, we know that as a result of his frantic efforts, his skills, his practical knowledge, that he was able to survive. It means he was able to save the life of a mother and child. Finally, it means he did not allow his personal affair to come in the way of his profession as a doctor. So it means that the writer wants to say here that we should maintain some distance. It means we should keep both the things apart here. What? Our private life, our personal matters, personal affairs, and our professional life here. We should not mix it, otherwise it would affect your professional life there. Clear? So children, in this way that you can make a question, that you can write the answer of this question, that is long answer type question, for 5 marks. So I hope now it is clear to you that how to write the answer for this question. That's all.